A plus B gives AB, and its example is uh, first is combination reaction. Means A plus B gives AB. For example, when carbon reacts with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. Second reaction is decomposition reaction. When single reactant is broken down and form two or more products, it's called as decomposition reaction. Its general form is AB gives A plus B. Carbonates is heated, then gives CaO means life, and carbon dioxide.
Good morning, friends. I am Sanam Raj. The name of my topic is the energy production from the coal in thermal power plant. The coal is obtained from the earth crust. It is so rare in earth crust. In the next 200 years, it will extinguish. The coal obtained from the earth crust is brought to the thermal power station. The coal is heated. Then it react. Then the reaction is carbon burn in presence of air is flown on the steam turbine. That steam turbine kinetic energy in the steam is given to the steam turbine. The steam turbine rotates and the generator produces electrical energy. Thank you.
This is about question of flowers. The part of plant for sexual reproduction is called as flower. There are four words of flower. First is calyx. Calyx is green in color. Its support are all parts of flower. Second is pedicel. Pedicel connect flower to stem. On the basis of pedicel, there are two types of flower. The flower to pedicel is called as pedicellate flower. And second is the flower without pedicel is called as sessile flower. Different flowers called as cross pollination. The second part is flower. The second part of flower is gynoecium. Gynoecium contains stigma, style, and ovary.
Label the diagram now. First part of carpel is stigma.
And third part is ovary.
My subject name is characteristics of modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table, vertical columns are called as group and the horizontal rows are called as periods. In this table, 18 groups and 7 periods are present. In this table, 118 boxes are this table. First and second period are sorted period.
Thank you so much. Today, my topic name is gravitation. Gravitational force. What is meant by gravitational force? The force of attraction between any two objects of the universe. It is called gravitational force. The force is the physical quantity that changes its rest or motion of an object. It is called force. Motion. The centrifugal force is called centripetal force. Center directing out from the center, it is called centrifugal force. Newton's first law: an object continues in the state of rest or motion unless any unbalanced force acts on it.
The reactant and a combined reaction from single product is called as combination reaction. The general reaction is AB plus AB reaction is called as double phase reaction.
Of living organism is called as morphological evidence. Secondly, anatomical evidence means the study of inherent body structure of living organism is called as anatomical evidence. Protein synthesis are four types. First type is mitosis. The student framed in with sections of trichlor colony DNA is called as mitosis. The member changes in DNA causes the change in characteristics and essential to survive are life process. There are 7 types of life process. First is nutrition, the process of life process. It is called as plus second law. The line joining the planets constitutes equal areas and equal interval of time. K plus third law. The Newton meter square per kg square. Value of Z is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square.
A ribonucleotide is made up of ribose sugar, phosphate molecule, and nitrogen bases, adenine, guanine, and cytosine. RNA is single stranded. There are 3 types of RNA. mRNA. mRNA means messenger RNA. tRNA means transfer RNA. And rRNA is ribosomal RNA. RNA helps DNA to protein synthesis.
Phosphate and superior quality products purchased online were inferior one are safe. And do not share your PIN OTP.
Disaster or inability to face disaster is called disaster management. There are many types of disaster management like natural disaster, geophysical disaster, etc. The natural disaster is response for
There are many theories of evolution, but most acceptable theory is Darwinian or Latin. The elements combined densely or to form physical. They explain the complex of this compound are found out. They give the first life cycle.
Topic name is Kepler law. First law. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun and the profile. Kepler second law. The line joining and of a planet and sun is equal in length and equal in the times. Kepler.
Discuss on the topic of Kepler's laws and Newton's laws. Newton used the 3 laws. Newton's first law: an object in a state of rest or uniform motion unless any unbalanced force act on it. Newton's second law: the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional square of the distance between them. Newton's third law: the action of reaction force there is equals and opposite reaction force. And Newton's universal law of gravitation: every object in the universe attracts every other object with a different force.
Kepler's first law, the orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the orbit. Kepler's second law, the line joining the planet and the sun sweeps equal area in equal interval of time. Kepler's third law, the square of rate of evolution around sun of planet is directly proportional to of the average distance between.
Evolution known as Weber theory. According to this theory, morphological changes are responsible for the process of evolution. The principle of activeness or nearness in organ is responsible for development or presentation of the organ and also known as or disease principle.
At rest or move in a straight line unless it is compelled to change that state by external and unbalanced force act on it. Newton's second law. Rate of change of momentum of particle directly proportional to the force act on it. Newton's third law. Every reaction creates an equal opposite reaction. A plus second line joining the planet and the sun is equal area and equal of time. A plus third law. Revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance between the planet and the sun. A Faraday's first law. When the conductor is placed in the direct magnetic field and electromotive force is induced. Faraday's second law. When the electricity is passed through the different electrolyte, then the metal ions deposited on the electrolyte is directly proportional to their chemical equivalent.
And one of the foci. Kepler's second law. Kepler's second law: the line joining the planet and sun is equal area in equal interval to time.
My subject name is phylum. Phylum is 10 parts. Phylum Protozoa, Phylum Coryphaera, Phylum Metaria, Phylum Platyhelminthes, Phylum Helminthes, Phylum Annelida, Phylum Arthropoda, Phylum Mollusca, Phylum Echinodermata, Phylum Hemichordae. 10 parts. But explain me Phylum Coryphaera. They have porous body. They have cellular fluid organism. They are aquatic animals. They are coelomate animals. They are asymmetric animals.
subject of my speech is classification of kingdom Animalia. What is classification? The process of making groups and subgroups on the basis similarities and differences is called as classification. The subkingdom Animalia classify the two subkingdoms non-chordata and chordata. Non-chordata 10 phylums: Protozoa, Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and the subkingdom Chordata, Unichordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata.